We finally made it. 2 on 2, 1 more to go. Impressive, isn't it? I wonder where it originates from. Let's take it up in the air. Let's see what this place has to offer. We're going to attempt the last waterfall on this Chasing Waterfall series. We've seen 3 waterfalls. One was really underwhelming, so we're going to the last and the mega fall, Wli Waterfalls. It's the highest and biggest waterfall in West Africa, I've been told. So let's get there, let's find out. Looks like we are up for a rainy night. Storms are coming in. Can you hear that? Wish me luck. Hey, look how dark that is. We had to stop because it was raining. Quick tour around our setup. It's raining cats and dogs, as you can hear. So we saw this pitch and decided to pitch underneath it. So that is my tent, MSR Haba Haba. I don't know if you can see well, but that's my tent, and that is my mate's tent as well. And the waterfall is right there somewhere. I'm sure you can hear it. We're gonna take a quick dip in and out because we've been sweating the whole trip through. It should be fun. Let's do this. Hey YouTube, so we decided to go and take a dip in this ungodly hour. It's cold, but we're gonna do it. I'm excited. My friend Volano is trying to catch a fish.
Yeah, let's do this.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. What you're trying to catch a fish with his bare hands. You got out. You got out. Tell me you got it. So, well, as you can see, Fachem is kaka. Wow, it's cold. That was fun. Look at that. We're fetching water here. In that. Oh, that was fun. Oh, that's cold.
This is what that's
Right, so we're done. We're headed back to the campsite. Alright, so we just go back to the campsite. It's just, yeah, much better. So we just go back to the campsite. I'm cold, so I'm gonna dry up, and we've got fire. We're gonna set up just to keep ourselves warm. We've already had dinner, and then tomorrow we'll see the gorgeous waterfall.